An elderly Cherokee is telling his grandson about an internal battle that's going on in his mind. He said it's between two wolves. One is evil, anger, envy, sorrow, regret, fearful thinking. The other is good, joy, peace, love, hope, serenity. The grandson thought about it for a minute, then asked his grandfather, "Which wolf wins?" The elder replied, "The one I choose to feed." Don't you feel like you have this going on inside of you, this internal battle, where on one hand you want to go above and beyond for your patients, you want to be loving, you want to be kind, you want to dispense empathy and love, but on the other hand, sometimes the job just can get the best of you. You can approach it with resentment, you can approach it with ego, you can be judgmental, but where is the balance? How can you feed the side you want to win? The quality of the life you live is created by the majority of feelings that you have on an ongoing basis, be they feelings of positivity or negativity. The quality of feelings we have on an ongoing basis are created by the questions we ask ourselves that direct the types of thoughts we have throughout the day. When you change the quality of the questions you ask yourself, your entire life will change. I challenge you to ask yourself, what kind of questions are you asking on a daily basis? Are you asking questions out of fear? Are you asking questions keeping you in that limiting mindset? Why is this happening to me? How come I can never succeed? Why can I never do this? How come I can never follow through? Are those the kind of questions that you're asking yourself? Or are you looking at the bright side? Are you looking at how life is happening for you instead of to you? You get what you focus on, so focus on what you want. Seek and you shall find. Seek out the greatness that's been within you the whole time. Seek out the full potential that you've been holding back. Maybe that's out of fear, maybe that's out of lack of confidence, but I am here to tell you right now that you are worth it, that you can do it. It is all scripted from the questions that you choose to ask yourself on a daily basis. Go forth, be great, dispense your full potential.